is a very pretty stitch, and I'm calling it Pointy Waves. That's what it looks like. I don't know the name, but that's what I'm calling it. So this is a multiple of 14 stitches plus 2 for the edges. And I'm using 2 sizes larger needles than what the yarn calls for, because I want it nice and open. And so let's do, this is an 8-row repeat. So we're going to start here. I'm using a number 4 worsted yarn and 10.5 netting needles. So I have 2 repeats here. Let's start. Row number 1, you're going to knit 4. So that's the edge stitch. So that doesn't count with the repetition. So this is the repetition. You knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, slide, slide, and knit. Yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. Yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. Knit 2 stitches together again. Yarn over and knit 2. So let's do that row, that repetition again. So you're going to knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, slide, slide, and knit. Yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. Yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. Knit 2 stitches together again. Yarn over, knit 2. And the last one, you knit. Now all rows number 2, 4, 6, and 8, you're going to knit the first one and the last one, but the whole row is going to be purl. So I will see you when I finish this row. Row number 3. You knit 1, and this is where the repetition starts. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit. Oops. Knit 2, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 2 stitches together. So let's do that repetition again. Oops, lost my little thing. Now we're going to knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, knit 2, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit, knit 2, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 2 stitches together. And the last one, you knit. Now row number 4 is the same. You're going to knit the first one and the last one, and all the ones, the whole row is going to be purl. Row number 5. we're going to knit that first one. And now this is where the repetition starts. We knit 2, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit. And again, slide, slide, and knit. Yarn over, slide, slide, and knit. Yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do that again. We're going to knit 2, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit. Again, slide, slide, and knit. Yarn over, again, slide, slide, and knit. Yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the last one we knit. Now row number 6, we knit the first one and the last one, and all the ones, the whole row is a purl. Row number 7, the first one we knit, and this is where the repetition starts. Slide, slide, and knit. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit. Knit 2, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 2, slide, slide, and knit, yarn over, and knit 1. So let's do the repetition again. Slide, slide, knit, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit, knit 2, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 2, slide, slide, knit, yarn over, and knit 1. And the last one you knit. And then row number 8, you knit the first one and the last one, and the whole row is a purl. So that's it. You repeat these 8 rows for pattern, and this is how it looks. I'll take some pictures. And thank you very much for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Thank you.